17. Wow. That's the age. That's the age where you are just ready to conquer the world. Imagine a young man being tested by his boss's wife, seduced to do things which are not proper. Imagine this boy being your child. How would you react? What would you expect from this young man you put so many efforts into? Imagine this young man telling himself, wow, I come from a dysfunctional family. My mother died when I was 9. My brother sold me when I was 17 and actually told my father that I'm dead. And I'm the only Jew in the most perverted land that exists, Egypt. Well, my friends, this is what happened to Yosef HaTzadik. And at that moment, our sages teach us that he saw appear to him the face of his father. And what did he do? He refused. Vaima'en, the verse says. He refused to fall into sin. But what gives a young man the power to overcome the challenge? What will give our children the power to overcome all the challenges they have on a daily basis? And who cares if he saw his father's face appear to him? His father thinks he's dead. And he's the only Jew in the whole land. No one will know. One of the commentaries says that if you look at the expression used, Vaima'en, he refused. That same expression, a few verses before is used again concerning Yaakov. When the sons came and brought the garment of Yosef and said, look, your son's garment is filled with blood. He is dead. Daddy, it's been years. Calm down. It's okay. Yaakov refused. Vaima'en leitnachem. He refused to be consoled. He refused to give up on his child. Because Yaakov refused to give up on his child, Yosef had the power, with all the excuses, even in such a situation, to refuse to give up on himself. When it comes to our children, we have to believe in them, and the more we believe in them, the more they'll believe in themselves.